Hello viewers, I hope you all are doing good. I'm your friend Adhiraj. As it's summertime in India and it's very hot, so to ease a little of hotness, today I came up with vanilla ice cream. I hope you all will love it and do try this amazing recipe at your home. So let's see how to make this delicious vanilla ice cream. For making vanilla ice cream, we will take non-dairy cream. Whenever you buy a non-dairy cream, keep it in the freezer. Take 1 bowl of non-dairy cream, 1 bowl of condensed milk and 1 spoon vanilla essence. And now we will blend it with hand mixer till it becomes fluffy. Rotate the bowl as shown in the video so that it can blend all together. We will blend the cream till it becomes fully whipped. See friends, now our cream is blended as it became double the actual quantity. Now in whichever container you want to freeze the ice cream, you can pour it in that. Cover it with aluminium foil and keep it in the freezer for 7 to 8 hours. Now it's been 7 to 8 hours. Let me show you how it is. See friends how soft and creamy our vanilla ice cream is. I can promise you that it will be more delicious than the actual market ice cream. And if you want, you can serve it with different shakes. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Frolic Smile. Thank you.